Mwah. Kisses to all of my kisses. Welcome back to my channel. If you're interested on how to isolate your booty muscles and how to learn how to twerk, stay tuned. Mwah. Kisses to all of my kisses. This has been by far one of the most requested videos ever since I released my Twerkathon video here on my, it was on my vlog channel, NinaUnrated Vlogs. So I had a Twerkathon. For those of you who don't know, it was March 1st, Friday night at 8 p.m. A lot of people in the gym industry thought that 8 p.m. on a Friday night would be a horrible time to have any kind of fitness class, to be honest with you guys. That's the feedback that I was getting. I'm like, no, but it makes sense to me because it's Friday night, it's 8 p.m. They're gonna learn how to do something that they would be doing at a club or at home with their boyfriends. Or look, whatever they wanna learn how to twerk for, that is up to them. And I'm not responsible if you get pregnant while learning how to twerk with NinaUnrated. Now listen here, just putting that out there, just putting that out there. So I decided to literally break down one move of twerking. And if you guys like these videos, I can show you a lot more of these videos. Now the basic twerk will be me standing up on my feet, squatting down with my hands over my knees, and I will be twerking. But this is a how to isolate your booty, like just that muscle. Not popping your back, not throwing your booty back, just isolating the actual butt muscle. So you wanna sit on the floor and put your back on a wall. This is the fastest way to get this because once your shoulders are on the wall and your butt is on the wall and your legs are open, you can either keep your toes like this. I usually tend to point my toes. You can't move anything else. You're kind of like locked in. So lock your body into the wall. Don't squeeze anything. Like I don't want you to do this and panic like you're gonna fall. You're not gonna fall off the floor. Like it's okay. Just what I'm saying is just press your shoulders slightly back. Make sure your shoulders and your butt are touching. And just put your hands by your side. And then just squeeze your butt, just like that. You should get a very small jerk, jump, when you properly squeeze your butt. And since everything's locked in, you can't go anywhere, this is the best way to do it. So just squeeze your butt. I know it looks funny, but just do that, don't move. And keep squeezing your butt. And now we're gonna squeeze and hold, so you wanna squeeze your butt, and you wanna release that muscle. The reason why I have you sit down and do this is because every single time, without failure, when I explain this to somebody while they're standing up, they can never squeeze their butt, ever. I mean, not once has somebody been able to do it. So once you're sitting on your butt, you're forced to understand where that muscle actually is because you're sitting on it. So squeeze your butt, and now you're gonna hold it, and then let it go. And then hold, and then let it go. And then keep doing that until you're like, oh, I get it. Now that you have that down packed, you're going to isolate. You're only going to do the left leg and then the right leg. I say legs, so you actually pay attention to your legs while you're squeezing your butt. Your toes should jerk up like this, slightly. It's a very slight jerk. I'm doing my left leg right now. So we're gonna do this leg, 1, 2, 3. Now this leg, 1, 2, 3. Now you can do that move in a bunch of different twerk moves. Once you learn how to do that, you can immediately bring that straight to your knees. As you can see, I can sit completely flat on this mat. Completely flat. I'm not like this. I am completely flat. This is an advanced move. If you cannot get this low, do not freak out. Don't be like, oh my God, I'm not gonna be able to do it. This is just as low as I can go. Now you're gonna wanna go as low as you can comfortably go. That may be here, that may be here, that may be here. So find your comfort level. If at all you feel any kind of tightness in your ankles, your knees, your hips, I advise you to stop the movement immediately. It is not worth learn twerking if you're going to hurt yourself, which is why I'm trying to let you know that you have to be very, very careful when you try to actually twerk because you're jerking your body in certain ways and you need to understand all those different type of movements. So if you feel any kind of pain or discomfort, it's okay. You can just stop and try it again some other time. Maybe even stretch before this video. Stretch your hips, stretch your legs, your hamstrings. You just want to stretch your calves, just stretch everything out. Actually roll out your legs. Try that and then come back and try to see if you can get this low. Until you can get this low, you can always put all the weight on your hands and actually hold your body weight up. You don't have to put any pressure on your knees or in your ankles or at any time, just put all the weight on your hands and it should look something like this. And if I'm coming from the side, it should look like this, or like this. So you find your comfort level. I can sit straight down, as you can see, without any problem, no pain, no tightness, no soreness, so I can get as low as I want to. Now for me to properly show you this move, I'm going to have to be turned around, but before I do, I want to show you what it looks like from the front so that you can actually see that everything's completely flat. And that's what it looks like when you jerk both butt cheeks. Now, let's say I'm just gonna isolate the left side. If you notice, I'm not moving my shoulders, I'm not moving anything. I'm just squeezing the butt cheek. And if you try it on the right side, that should be the only movement you have. Now your leg will follow through and you will feel a little bit of movement, but I'm not going like this, is what I'm saying. So this is what you don't want to look like when you're trying to isolate. Like let's say you're trying to do the left side, you don't want to look like you're going like this, because unless if you're purposely trying to make that a dance move, but no, just isolate the actual muscle. And when you double up, that's what it should look like. So now I'm going to turn around and I'm going to show you what isolation looks like. When I point to the left, clearly I'm doing the left side. When I point to the right, clearly I'm doing the right side. Then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when it's both together, when you're a little higher and when you're a little lower. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I really truly do appreciate it. If you want more of these videos, keeping it real, if you want more of these videos, please hit the thumbs up button. That is the best way for me to judge what kind of videos you guys actually do like versus what you don't like. So I want to bring you more of what you honestly do love and like. So if you're interested on future twerk videos, learning how to twerk, maybe some beach twerk videos, dropping a hint there, you guys let me know and I would be more than happy to shoot them for you. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Stay strong, stay positive, and as long as you have a positive mind, anything and all can be conquered. Until next time, bye guys.